The Panama Canal stands as a monument to human ingenuity and ambition. For over a century, this vital waterway has connected the Atlantic and Pacific Oceans. It has facilitated global trade and reshaped the geopolitical landscape. Yet the canal faces challenges in the 21st century. The rise of megaships, too large for the Panama Canal, has sparked a new race. Central American nations and global powers are vying to create alternative routes. These projects promise to redefine global trade and usher in a new era of maritime infrastructure. The Panama Canal Authority, acutely aware of these challenges, is not standing idle. Plans are underway for expansion and modernization. The goal is to remain competitive. Deepening and widening the canal will allow for larger vessels. Improved infrastructure and technology will increase efficiency. But will these efforts be enough to maintain Panama's dominance in the face of ambitious rivals? The answer may lie in the success or failure of several ambitious projects across Central America. These projects, each with its own set of advantages and disadvantages, are racing to challenge the Panama Canal's supremacy. Their impact on global trade, the environment, and the geopolitical balance of power cannot be overstated. The stakes are high, and the world is watching closely as these new contenders emerge. The most ambitious challenger is the Nicaragua Grand Canal. This $50 billion project, backed by Chinese companies and the Nicaraguan government, aims to dwarf the Panama Canal. It is designed to accommodate even the largest cargo ships, offering a significant advantage in a world of ever-growing vessels. The 172-mile canal, if completed, would be a game-changer. However, the project faces significant hurdles. Environmental concerns are paramount. Deforestation, habitat disruption, and pollution threaten Nicaragua's delicate ecosystems. The social impact is also a concern, with potential displacement of communities and disruption of livelihoods. International observers are closely monitoring the situation, wary of the environmental and social costs associated with such a massive undertaking. Despite the challenges, construction is underway, with an expected completion date of 2030. The geopolitical implications of a Chinese-backed canal in Central America are significant. It has the potential to shift the balance of power in the region and beyond. The world is watching closely as Nicaragua undertakes this massive gamble, one that could reshape global trade and redefine its place on the world stage. Not all contenders are focused on traditional canals. The Honduran Dry Canal offers a different approach. This $20 billion project envisions a network of highways, railways, and logistics hubs. This land bridge would connect the Pacific and Atlantic, offering a faster and more cost-effective alternative to maritime transit. It would link ports in El Salvador, Honduras, and Nicaragua to Caribbean hubs. Mexico is also vying for a piece of the action with its $7.5 billion Trans-Isthmus Corridor. This project aims to upgrade existing railways and ports connecting the Pacific Ocean to the Gulf of Mexico. By reducing congestion and improving efficiency, Mexico hopes to attract shipping companies seeking a faster route. The project is already underway, with significant progress expected by 2027. These land-based projects offer potential advantages over traditional canals. They are less disruptive to the environment and can potentially benefit local communities through job creation and economic development. However, they also face challenges in terms of funding, logistics, and competition from existing infrastructure. The emergence of these new contenders has sparked a global debate about the future of trade routes. Who will be the winners and losers in this new era of maritime infrastructure? Will the Panama Canal maintain its dominance, or will it be eclipsed by these ambitious rivals? The answers to these questions have far-reaching implications for global trade, geopolitics, and the economies of Central American nations. One thing is certain: the competition is fierce, and the stakes are high. The outcome will depend on a complex interplay of factors including economic viability, environmental impact, political will, and global demand. As these projects advance, the world will be watching closely to see who emerges victorious in this race to reshape global trade routes.